Yeah, somebody was definitely on there. She's very interested in that. Oh, you want to eat it? You want to eat it? I don't think you want to eat that. Anyway, I was saying if you look close, you can a lot of times find hair. So really work that one over. And then here's another one right next to it. And that's the antlers that are doing that. And a lot of times, see how these are in a row? You can see right down there, there's the trail. I don't see any other ones. Look at you, silly dog. That's interesting. She knows something's been working on that, huh? Yeah, you want to look at that too, huh? Good girl.